Are you traveling internationally for the first time? Well, here are some tips to help you. So if you haven't traveled internationally before, obviously you need a passport. You also need to check if you need a visa if you're going into a different country that requires one. So visas are usually only for people traveling to a different country and they're going to stay there for more than 90 days, but it is always important to double check. I think the most important thing for me before I go over to a different country is just knowing the area, knowing where the ATMs are, knowing the location where the hospitals are, knowing the emergency numbers. So if I were ever in trouble, who do I call? So you don't get yourself in trouble before you go and on your way there. Definitely know if you have to get vaccines before you go. And also, are there medications that are restricted over in that country? Sometimes countries prevent just normal over-the-counter medications from going in their country. Another hot tip for me is always getting a reliable phone service. A lot of people just go with the phone service that they have and just switch to international mode. Some people do SIM cards. Also, this doesn't really pertain to me because I eat mostly everything. But if you do have dietary restrictions, definitely know the area that you're going to and see if they have restaurants that help with those dietary restrictions. Okay, guys, I hope those tips were helpful for your first trip abroad. Good luck.